guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be reviewing my homemade squishies. The bright witches, the light bright. Okay, my real big bag. So I had like a very simple one. I have like a very simple squishy. All you need to make the very simple squishy is like something soft, like a scarf or something, and you just like squish it. Wait. But scissors. Yeah, I think somebody got put it back, but like you can like cut a hole in it if you want. The face is kind of fading because I was playing with it. And I like love the squishy. It's so pretty. And it has different colors of pink, and it got a little bit of white. That's cute. So I'm reviewing them for you guys. I don't know what to call this one yet. Pinkalicious. Pinkalicious or pinky. I like Pinkalicious. So that's Pinkalicious. This one defected, and it was a scented one. Defected though, so like not really squishy anymore. I legit I have no idea how it popped. So that was Pop-Tarty. Balloons. So I wanted to fill these up with water. So I'm not done yet. A squishy. It's kind of slow rising. Get it? Just slow rising. Slow rising. That's Lego my Eggo. Get it? Because it's an egg. So that's Lego my Eggo. And then I have this. Kind of like, I love this. Like, it's so soft. It smells like that slime. I wonder where that slime's getting from. You should be smell this. It smells like this. One more balloon. Is that actually? Instead of 5, she gave me 6 extra. 5 balloons. She gave me 6. That's what I wanted. So I'm not happy. But since I got more than enough, so I'll be trying this. I think you will need something to do it in. You will need something to stretch the balloon open and maybe water. And put it like right there, but try not to make a hole. And you gotta like put something in between the balloon so like that it can stretch open. So I'm gonna try to do that with this. Probably won't stretch too long. I don't know what. I need something. So I'm gonna use this thing. And so what you have to do, what I'm going to try to do, is take the other part of this and stretch it across. Try not to bust a hole in it though. Stretch it across. Wow, that did not go as planned. Well, that didn't work. But you can also like just do regular. Open it. water. That one. Balloon. Stretch. Try and put it without busting a hole. Okay. So now we have it in. Just pour like a little. Not pouring a lot of. Is it even getting in? Where is it going if it's not getting in the balloon? I don't know. This is a cool experiment. Like it's not. Oh, it's kind of getting in the balloon now. So we're just gonna make a small test one first. Okay. So we gotta take this off before it busts a hole. I think it busted a hole. Nope, the water's just going back in. Take this off. Guys, I'm struggling right now. That kind of got on the camera. Does it have a hole in it? Nope. Stretch the balloon. Wrap it around your fingers. My hands are kind of slippery, so this might not work as planned. Because I did not expect that to happen. I got on my glasses too. I'm tying the balloon right now. And you have like your homemade squishy balloon thingy. So I'm gonna like try to make like one more of these for you. Because it's like very easy. So put that pen there. I'm gonna do my favorite color. Green. I hope I don't bust a hole in green. Because I love this color. But I might do like another video on my homemade squishy review or stress reliever review. That might be on it. So bye. See you later. Hope you enjoyed my last video, my latest video, and my other videos before that. And I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye.